I cannot tell you how excited I am for this Woolworths Christmas haul. I've been sneaking around Woolworths the last couple of weeks looking for their Christmas stuff, and they finally have it all in stock. I am so excited to try this plant-based Christmas roast. I'm so excited. And then I found a few other things. This gingerbread house, the actual gingerbread was vegan, but the lollies weren't, so I didn't end up buying that. But I did find these chocolate rumbles. I was checking the back of all of these things to see if they were plant-based, and this one just easily says vegan on the front, so that's super handy. They're also gluten-free, so there's that. So buying that. I also found these little meringue nests. I did review them last year in my Woolworths Christmas haul though, so I didn't end up buying them today. So check out that video from last year if you want to see my review on that. Then I found these dairy-free custards. So they have a brandy flavored one as well as a vanilla flavored. I went for the brandy flavored today because I thought it's a little bit different, a little bit unusual, so I wanted to try that out. And then I found this cute little Christmas pudding, which is in their Plentitude range, which is their plant-based range. And then I found these mixed olives, which I didn't end up buying, but I was really hoping that they would have some kind of like vegan grazing board platter, but unfortunately they didn't. Anyway, back home. All right, we are back from the shops, ready to unpack. So I did get a few things that weren't Christmas themed that I just needed to get, like cat litter, for example. So I won't bore you with that. But I bought a couple of other things which I did want to show you anyway. We'll start with the Christmas stuff because I know that's what we're all here for. So firstly, we have the Plentitude dairy-free brandy flavored custard. So I think I'm just going to try this right now for you because I am super keen to try it. Let's give it a go. So last year I tried the Nakula brand version of this, but this year Woolies has come out with their own brand. So very cool. All right, brandy flavored custard. Let's give it a go. That's good. That is like 10 out of 10 for what it is. It's made with coconut milk, water, sugar, cornstarch, natural flavor of brandy, vanilla bean seeds, and then like acidity regulators and color, which is carotene. So yeah, it's good. And it says eat within 5 days of opening. This is a winner. I would buy this again for sure. It'd be great with like Christmas pudding, which is coming up next. All right, that was delicious. 10 out of 10. Then I have the Christmas pudding. So I found this in like one of the aisles, at the end of one of the aisles. I didn't see this in like the Christmas area, so just have a look out if you can't find it. This is a Plentitude, which is their, it's like their home brand, vegan brand. Plant-based deliciousness Christmas pudding infused with Australian plum, brimming with plump fruits and almonds. Yes, it has like sugar, soy milk, sultanas, oil, more sugar. Then it has a whole lot of like natural colors and flavors. Yeah, so a couple of preservatives. So yeah, like pretty processed, but I'm keen to try this. I don't think I'll try it now because I'm still kind of full from lunch. But I will insert a clip when I try the rest of this stuff. So we've got our little Christmas pudding. Then I found these amongst all like the Christmas cakes and fruit cakes. They didn't have any vegan ones except for the vegan Christmas pudding. I wanted to try like a fruit cake or something, but I couldn't see any. But I did find these, which are chocolate rumbles, and they are vegan. They even have a little vegan sign there, which is handy because I've been like looking at all of the ingredients and everything. Anyway, it's got like breadcrumbs, golden syrup, sugar, chickpea flour, some other kind of things, oil, almonds, raisins, blah, blah, blah. It's got a few ingredients again, but I think I'm going to try one of these now because these aren't too big. So I will give you a taste test right here, right now. I'm going to open this. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little rumbles in the packet. So it'd be good to take to like, yeah, a Christmas gathering or something if you didn't have enough time / couldn't be bothered to cook. Let's give it a go. All right, here it is. Wow. That is intense rum. Wow. I haven't drunk alcohol in like, I haven't drunk a spirit in a very long time. I had like half a glass of champagne about a month ago, but other than that, I haven't drunk like proper alcohol in a long time, and this tastes like drinking alcohol. Like it tastes like I'm having a shot of whiskey, or I guess it's rum. Wow. That's like an intense flavor. If you like rum or whiskey, you'll like that. I personally like, it was a bit of a shock. Like it was very strong alcohol flavor. So if you're into alcohol, you'll really like that. The actual like rest of it tastes really good. The texture's good and everything. But for me personally, like I wouldn't gravitate towards that because I'm not like big into alcohol, but you might like it. I'm probably gonna rate that like a 6 just because it was so strong with alcohol, and I'm not the biggest alcohol fan, but if you did like rum, you would love that. All right, this is what I'm most excited for. Like literally, I saw it the other day and I was so keen. So this is the plant-based Christmas roast with cranberry glaze. The succulent plant-based roast with fragrant herbs and spices. Keen. So it's made with soy protein. So each serve has 14 grams of protein, which is pretty good because I feel like what happens a lot with like vegan Christmas alternatives, especially if you make it yourself, it like doesn't really have much protein in it, and then you're just having like a whole plate of like carbs or like vegetables, whereas I like to have a bit of protein. So this is what it looks like. Looks interesting, I will say. And then you have like this cranberry sauce with it. So I'm gonna try that, not now unfortunately, because yeah, as I said before, I'm not really that hungry right now, and I've got other plans for dinner, so I'll probably have this tomorrow, so I will insert some clips in a minute. But yeah, this does look pretty interesting. It costs $15, so I mean, I would say pricey, but not really because it serves 4 people, so it's actually not that bad. That's that. All right, I bought some cherries just because I haven't had cherries in ages and I love cherries, so bought them. And then the last like Christmassy thing I bought, which isn't even really Christmassy, but these Heinz crispy broccoli florets are like in the freezer section, and they're broccoli but like with a crumb on the outside, so I'm just gonna put them in the air fryer to heat them up, and then I'm gonna eat them alongside my Christmas roast because I thought I need some kind of like vegetable something, but I wanted to try another product, and these are new, I think. Well, newish. I haven't really seen them before, so I'm gonna give that a go tomorrow when I have my plant-based loaf, which will be really yummy, and then I'll have this for dessert tomorrow with some cherries and some more of that brandy flavored custard. All right, the last few things I have in here aren't Christmas related, but I guess I'll just show you anyway. I bought this dandy chai. If you haven't tried this before, this is my second box. I bought it about, yeah, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, and I went through like the whole 30 bags that are in there because it was so yum. It's like a roasted dandelion root with natural chai spices, so it's completely caffeine free, gluten free, preservative free, and it's just really nice to have like in the evenings when you kind of feel like black tea but you don't want to have the caffeine from black tea. So that's really good. I really like it, and it tastes really nice chai flavor, so I love that. I bought some organic zucchinis because I'm really craving zucchini oats at the moment. I haven't had them in a few weeks, so craving that. And then I have this pulse pasta because I like getting protein pasta every now and then. And then yeah, the cat litter. But that's it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said before, I will insert some clips, or maybe I already have inserted some clips of me trying out some of the things that I didn't try today. All right, I have cooked the loaf, the Christmas roast loaf thing. So I had to put the cranberry sauce on after 30 minutes. And this is supposedly meant to serve 4 people, but like I could eat this whole thing in one sitting. So that's one thing to note. I mean, I haven't eaten it yet. And then also for the broccoli, I weighed out, because I just wanted to see how much it was. I weighed out 2 serves. And this is what 2 serves looks like, which is really small. So just a note with those things, it is like quite small portion sizes, I would say. But anyway, let's dig into this. I think I'm gonna eat, do I want an edge piece or a middle piece? think I want the edge piece. All right, this is what it looks like. You probably can't see from there, but it's got, you can kind of see like soy nugget type things, and then I feel like there's some mushrooms and some greenery in there as well. I'm very excited to try it. I'm just gonna have one portion for now and then see how I feel. I do still have the dessert to eat after this, so I don't want to be too full, but let's see. That's actually really good. That's really good. That is actually so good. It's like, how do I describe it? I would say it's kind of meaty in texture, like it's quite dense, but it's tasty and it's like juicy as well. It's really good. I'm gonna give this like a 10 out of 10. This is so yum. Like this with the whole plate full of salads and stuff and like potatoes, veggies. Oh, that'd be so good. I actually want to buy this again and have this on Christmas Day, I reckon. So good. All right, now let's try this broccoli. I heated it up in the air fryer because I wanted it crispy. I'll have it on its own first. It's good. So if you look inside, it is an actual broccoli in there. It's not like it's just fake broccoli. It does have an actual broccoli in each one, but there's quite a lot of batter to make it taste good. But it does make it taste really good. So I'm gonna give this one a 9 out of 10 because I reckon it could have a little bit more flavor. But if you eat it with like a sauce or something, I think it's perfect. I'm thoroughly enjoying this. I'm gonna finish eating this and I'll tune back in with you when I'm having dessert. Alright, I'm back with the little Christmas pudding. I put it on this really small little dish to make it seem really big. It's actually pretty small, but it smells really good and I'm assuming it's going to be quite rich, so I think the size is good. And then I've got my little custard, which I tried yesterday already, but I'm going to put some of it on top. Delightful. Okay. I would say it's not the best thing I've ever eaten, but it's not bad. Let me have another bite. I've got a nice taste of a nut in there, which is good. And the fruits are good, but the cake part isn't my cup of tea. It's like, it's okay. I feel like it's definitely a good substitute if the rest of your family is having like the regular Christmas pudding and it has things in there that you don't want to eat and you want to have a vegan one. Like this is a good option, good cute little size, like you can easily take it to a party and heat it up. So I think it's really good for that purpose. Like if you know that everyone else is going to be having Christmas pudding and you want to join in, like you can bring this, but I wouldn't buy it again just to eat on my own. But I mean, everyone's different. Some people love Christmas pudding. I think, yeah, I do like Christmas pudding, but I think this one, it's okay. It's just not brilliant. I'd probably rate it like a 6.5 out of 10. But I mean, I'll probably eat most of this anyway. It's good. It's just not, like I wouldn't buy it again. You see what I mean? It's like I'll eat it, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see one for Coles as well, and potentially Aldi or what's the other one? IGA. I went to an IGA the other day and I didn't see that much like Christmas vegan stuff there, and I'm pretty sure Aldi don't do too much like Christmas themed vegan stuff, but I'll have a look. I know Coles do though. Last year I did a Christmas Coles haul and there were some really nice things, so let me know if you want to see that. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video. As always, if you have any video suggestions, in particular Christmas video suggestions, let me know ASAP in the comments down below, because I'm trying to film these videos and get them out to you as quickly as I can. And if you have any suggestions of videos you'd like to see, I would love to create something that you want to see and that will hopefully help you. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you have an amazing day. Sending you lots of love, and yeah, bye.